To a primetime news follow-up now. A visitor who disappeared after arriving on board the Carnival Sunrise cruise ship in Ocho St. Anne earlier this month is now in police lockup. He was picked up by the police in that parish. The man, who seems to go by the names Garfield Sewell or Eric Lott, is also wanted in the United States for serious crimes. Kirk Wright has that report.
Controversial Carnival cruise passenger ship left Ocho Rios early this month. It sailed without Garfield Sewell, who disappeared after arriving in Jamaica. The over 1,000 passengers who arrived in Jamaica were scheduled to depart the island's shores on the same day. Everyone except the police thought Mr. Sewell was missing because they got information that he had planned not to return to the United States.
We got the impression from his relatives and the other family members that were on the cruise with him as well, that they knew before that he was not boarding the ship. And that is why when we started getting reports of missing person, the family did say that they know that he's not missing. He's just hiding out here in Jamaica.
He was held in Brownstown on Saturday close to 3 in the afternoon. The police say Mr. Sewell made some Jamaican connections before arriving in the country, but they're still trying to find out where he was staying during his absence. Mr. Sewell will be taken before the courts tomorrow for overstaying his time in Jamaica. But he seems to be in bigger trouble back in his hometown, the United States, where he is wanted for major crimes.
He was actually wanted in Atlanta, Georgia, alleged case of murder and aggravated assault. So he will be taken back to his country after attending court here in Jamaica.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.